Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to choose or how to select video resolution on the application of TED Talks. You should just follow me step by step. In the first, we will go to this application of TED Talks as you see, and you can click here. Then in this page you will wait a moment until you find this window like this. Here you will find the first page of this application home as you see. Then you will go to this sign of profile and you can click here. Then in this list of your profile you will go to this window of settings and you will click like this. Here in this list you will choose this page of video resolution and you can click in this window here. And as you see here, you can choose any video resolution you want. If you want SD resolution, you will choose it, but if you want HD, you will choose it here. But just pay attention here. HD is better quality than SD, but may use more data to stream and more storage when downloaded, so you can choose HD is better. But if you want to use less data when you are downloaded, then you can choose here HD as you see. So that's all. That's how to choose video resolution on the application of TED Talks. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.